Hi, my name is Caitlin and I'm a final year student here at Monash. You may already know that Monash has many food and retail services, but did you know that we have a health and wellbeing service right here in the centre of campus too? The University Health Service is here to help you look after yourself while at uni and can be found at the Clayton, Caulfield and Peninsula campus or over the phone via telehealth. Whether you're a staff member, international student or a domestic student, there are heaps of health services available to you. If you are a student, bring your student ID and Medicare card or overseas student health cover to access the health service at no extra cost to you. Making an appointment is really easy. It can be done by booking online, over the phone or even in person.
Caitlin?
There are so many health services available for both staff and students, including mental health, sexual health, general medicine, immunisations, dental, sports medicine, and there's even wellness support to help manage weight, addiction and stress. A consultation with a health professional is a safe place to ask any questions you may have and to talk openly about your health. These health professionals are here to support you and to provide peace of mind when it comes to your health and well-being. Monash cares about the health and well-being of the people who study and work here at Monash. The University Health Service is here to keep you healthy so that you can have a great time at university.